This is Violet Rose going down. I'm getting all wet and I don't care. She's going into the car. She's borrowing my car. She can. She's allowed to use my car once a month. There's a couple of times a month. Violet, look back. You're gonna have to close the gate though. Okay, be careful, Violet. Be careful in this weather. And happy prom. Enjoy yourself. You will close the gate though, right? I can't go down. All right, she's going. She's going. She's going. And I'm going to take a video until she's gone and close the gate. Violet, be careful because that corset is tight as hell. Careful. You're ruining the umbrella. You broke it. She broke my umbrella, guys. Hurry, guys, hurry. Be careful, my girl. I'll close the gate. I'm gonna close the gate. I'm closing it. I love you, honey. See you later. Call me. Call me. I'm gonna close the gate for her. That's not fair. It's okay. I'll close the gate and she'll go to prom and have an amazing time. And that's that. Oh boy. To be a mom, right? To be a mom. My beautiful daughter is going to prom. Okay. So her old mammy is going back inside to watch The Odd Couple. But yeah. It has to be raining on prom day, right? Yeah, I gotta walk up like this because they got stairs that are 15 feet above sea level and I'm walking in slippers in the rain. So, whew, I'm feeling anxiety, bro. Coffee I drank did not hit me right. But, we're gonna keep that one on. No. And that's that. Look at this nut. Oh, boy. Close that, put that on. We are home. All right, let me just put this there for now. Whew. That was an experience. It's raining out there like it's November. I need water. Whew, I'm having anxiety. Whew. The coffee did not hit me right today. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Wish my daughter a beautiful prom day, and I'll share videos and pictures and everything later. Peace and love.